de Rizal, or the Kababaihang Rizalista, Ladies of Rizal Montreal Chapter. May I call on for the entrance of colors for the Philippine flag bearer, Sir Stefan Moy, for the Canada flag bearer, Sir Francis Bernabe, and for the Quebec flag bearer, Sir Sheldon Coleman. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all stand for the national anthems.
Foundation anniversary celebration of the Kababaihang Chapter.
You know how to do
During the
that?
coronation of our Voting Maria 2024, I would like to acknowledge the parents of our contestants whose unwavering support enables us to pursue our initiatives. To our distinguished guest, MP Anthony Housefather, ex-Councilor Albert Logan, Councilor Sally Moros, down Filipino Councilor Stephanie Valenzuela, our guest, Miss Anastasia Johnson, Miss Juan Caguan of the judges for tonight. I also would like to include the Lions of Rizal, the Eastern Canada region, for coming to help us with the activity tonight, especially the flag bearers. And I extend a cordial welcome. Let us enjoy the evening and let's have fun. Thank you.
Thank you, Lady SB. And now to welcome us all, may I call on our beloved MP Anthony Housefather.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much, Svetlana. Thank you so much, Lady SB. And thank you, everyone, for coming tonight to support the incredible efforts of the Ladies of Rizal. All of the charitable work that the ladies do, scholarships for high school students, giving money for relief in the Philippines. And tonight, we crown the winner of the beauty pageant, the Maclara Award winners. Woo! So it's exciting to be here with Sunny Rose and Stephanie Valenzuela, and former City Councilor Martin Roche, and the next School Commissioner Chelsea Gray. All of them are here. And while tonight is not a big night for speeches, I just want to say one thing. Times right now are getting better. I see a lot of people since the pandemic have been depressed, they've been down. But inflation is now down, jobs are up, people are getting better, the economy is getting better, and we're getting free dental care for everybody who earns $90,000 or less. There's a lot of things that are happening that are going to make next year better than this year. And so I see a lot of people, a lot of times are very tired and hard worked and sad. I just want to bring everybody out and just let everybody know that we live in one of the greatest places in the world. One of the greatest countries in the world. One of the greatest cities in the world. One of the greatest communities in the world. And we love each other. So this is a Jewish New Year. And for all of us, I know that this is going to be a better New Year. One of health, of happiness, and hope. So in Hebrew, we say L'Shana Tova. It means Happy New Year. And so I want to say each of you, Shana Tova U'Metuka, which means Happy New Year and good health and happiness to everyone. Have a great night.
Racial equality, values of brotherhood between people, cooperation between nations, peace, democracy. When Dr. Rizal lived, Western nations practiced colonialism. They treated Asians as second.
Lisa Rizal, for her opening prayer, Lady Fanny Carino.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Dapat sa gitna ilagay. Kailan kayo kasi papakita yung cake? Dito kayo.
Let's sing happy birthday muna.
Teka muna.
Anuhin mo nga po. Okay.
Look there.
Thank you all very much. Stephanie Valenzuela for your short talks.
As our ladies are celebrating their 25th anniversary, I just want to take a few minutes to thank you all for supporting the lovely ladies of Rizal here in Montreal's chapter. To those who don't know me and to those that do, my name is Stephanie Valenzuela.
When you meet an issue with international human rights, you call Martin Rocha and they help you. And when your garbage doesn't get picked up, or your snow clearing isn't good, or you're looking for funding.
Of Dr. Jose Rizal. Dr. Rizal recognized the critical role of women as the bearers and nurturers of hope. This underscored the vital role that Filipino women play in nation building, both in the Philippines and abroad. Your chapter's 25 years of service coinciding with the 75 years of its actions of those who, like you, dedicate their lives to the betterment of others. As you celebrate this remarkable achievement, may you continue to be guided by the values of integrity, compassion, and resilience. May the next 25 years bring even greater success and fulfillment as you uphold the principles of Rizal and inspire more Filipinos to be leaders, educators, and advocates for positive change. I wish you all a successful and meaningful celebration. Mabuhay!
Thank you very much, Lady Rebecca Dasuoso. And now another speaker from Eastern Canada Regional Commander, the one and the only Sir Ray Balanci.
Hello, good evening to everybody. Gandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Sana ngayong gabi ay makita ninyo ang ating kasayahan tungkol sa mga maliliit na bata. I wish you are enjoying this special event in order to witness the little Munting Marianara for the Ladies Officer Association and assistance of all donors and guests. This event will not be successful. Thank you very much. Welcome to everyone.